Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're gonna do the unboxing of one of the most awaited smartphones in India, the Redmi Note 7 Pro. So Redmi Note 7 Pro makes a global debut in India, and India is the first country to receive this device. So Redmi Note 7 Pro comes with upgraded hardware compared to the Redmi Note 7. This comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 octa-core chipset, and it also has a Sony IMX586 sensor, that's a 48 megapixel sensor, along with a MIUI 10 and Android 9.0. So this is a really good device, and it comes in two variants, 4GB RAM and 6GB RAM, starting at a price of 13,999, and this is a really great pricing by Xiaomi in India. So this is the box pack we have received. It's not the retail box pack, it's the box pack shared to the media, so probably this is not the retail box pack, but this box has all the contents which you get in the retail box. That's why we are doing a quick hands unboxing to show you what all comes inside the box package. So let's do the unboxing. So it has all the specifications mentioned in the box pack. You can see that it has 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor, AI camera, secondary 5 megapixel camera, Qualcomm Snapdragon 675. It has a 6.3 inch Full HD Plus resolution display, and it also has a 4000 mAh capacity battery included. So all the specifications and details are mentioned in the box package. So now let's open the box and show you the device. So let's just take this out. So this is, as I said before, this is the media box, it's not the retail box. So you can see the Redmi Note 7 Pro on the top. So that's the device. You can see that in terms of design aspect, it's almost similar to what we've seen on the Redmi Note 7. It has a fingerprint scanner on the back panel, dual camera setup, and Redmi by Xiaomi is the logo at the back panel, and it's made of glass finishing on the back and the front panel, and it has Gorilla Glass 5 protection both on the back and the rear panel. And you can see the left side has the SIM tray, which is a hybrid slot. The right side has the power and volume keys. The bottom section has the USB Type-C port and speaker, and the top portion has the 3.5mm audio jack included. Design wise, there isn't much of a difference with the Redmi Note 7. Now let's see what else comes inside. So opening up, you can see that it comes with a manual. So that's the manual for the Redmi Note 7 Pro, and you can get the user guide. Then you get the charger cable. So this is the USB Type-C cable for charging and data syncing, which is included. Then you also get a SIM ejector pin for removing a SIM tray, and finally we have the charger. So Xiaomi has mentioned that the Redmi Note 7 Pro comes with fast charging, but then this is not a fast charger. This is the regular 10-watt charger, but the fast charger, you can use any fast charger and charge the Redmi Note 7 Pro, but the bundled box contains 10-watt charging. So that's all inside the box. Now let's have a look at the device. So that's the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro. It looks really good. You can see the display quality is really vibrant and colorful. And let's go to the settings panel. You can see that it comes with the MIUI 10 update, Android 9.0. You can also see the Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 chipset, and the variant which we have is 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. It also comes in 6 and 64GB storage as well. So in case you want additional RAM, you can go with that variant. And if you have used the Xiaomi smartphone, you get to see all the features on the UI, including the dual app support. Then other options including app lock and features are included in the UI. So look wise, you can see it's pretty good, and the fingerprint scanner, you can see that it's pretty fast and responsive fingerprint scanner, and does the job pretty well, and it also has face unlock included. So that's the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro in terms of the software features, and it looks really good in terms of the overall experience. Now let's have a look at the camera. So you can see the camera interface looks quite good, and it also has all the features you would see on a Redmi smartphone. AI mode, HDR mode, and all the modes are included, along with video recording, which supports 4K out of the box, and some additional portrait modes and options are also included. So we'll cover on the camera a bit later. We'll do a detailed camera review coming up soon on Technique, so stay tuned for that detailed camera review. Now the device also comes with a 4000 mAh capacity battery, which is a pretty good capacity battery, and it should be able to last for more than a day easily, and with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 it should be able to give you good performance as well. So we'll talk about that in our detailed review. So that was unboxing and a hands-on with the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro. It is coming in two variants, a 464 variant which has priced at 13,999 and a 664 variant which is priced at 16,999. So that's the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro, which makes a global debut in India. So that's all guys, hope you enjoyed watching this video.